Hi, my name is Rory Singh from Ontario, Canada. Today I'm doing a quick review on this new cryptocurrency trading company. Seems to be called Control Finance. Okay, so I'm doing a review on the new Control Finance system. I went over to their website, controlfinance.com, and I was just looking around. It seems like a professionally designed website. I looked at the address. It has an address in Manchester, yeah, UK. Um, and usually companies don't mention who's behind their companies, especially in these. There's so many new trading companies popping up in the cryptocurrency markets slash MLM industry lately, that the great majority of them don't supply any information as to who's actually behind this company. But there seems to be a person by the name of Benjamin Reynolds. Okay, I watched a few videos. Seems to be that were uploaded on YouTube and then embedded into this site. So there seems to be one person who's behind this company, one sole director by the name of Benjamin Reynolds. Okay, so that kind of got me curious. I did a domain search and on control-finance.com, and it seems like it was registered just last year, September 6th, 2016. Okay. Now, is Reynolds really the owner? Reason I'm saying it, just when you watch a certain video, especially a YouTube channel that's only been up for a few months, and the video itself, and there's not enough information, Manchester address, and then when I looked into that further, there seems to be a company that provides virtual office space to incorporations. That means you don't have to be physically located in Manchester, but the real address, it points to a company called Bruntwood, right? Bruntwood is an office space provider, a virtual office space provider, and anyone could be truly behind this company. Hopefully it is Reynolds, but I could just leave question marks. I checked around on the internet, found a couple of other people questioning that same thing. One guy even said that it looks like a Fiverr type video. Someone could have paid someone to say they're Benjamin Reynolds. I didn't say that. That's what another person said on the internet. So that kind of raises more questions there. Is this Benjamin Reynolds truly behind this company? You really need to know this stuff, guys, if you want to make money for yourself, especially for the type of money that they're asking for you to invest in their company in order to get a return on your investment. Okay, before I go any further, guys, I'm just want to let you know that I'm not trying to sponsor you or recruit you into this new cryptocurrency trading deal. I'm just here to share some information, give you guys some value, and also to let you know that in order to make money for yourself, it's not just unless especially online, you have to learn how to do things like marketing and find companies that offer legitimate retailable products and services, as well as a way to teach you how to do all that stuff. Because an opportunity is not a real opportunity if it's just a web page or a fancy website with just a getting started link at the end of all that. Okay, a real opportunity is something that shows you how to get customers to buy your stuff, how to position yourself in front of your real target market, how to market yourself professionally, how to have droves of the right type of people with credit card in hand to go out there and buy your stuff. That's what a real opportunity is. And before I go any further into this review, after this review, there's a link below this video. You can get access to a very powerful system that incorporates everything I just mentioned just a moment ago. Okay, so back to this Control Finance review. There seems to be 5 plans that you can get started here as an investor. Okay, there seems to be 2 ways that you could make money here. The first one is just invest money. It seems like an HYIP, high yield investment. Um, Actually, the ROI is kind of low, 1%. There's a lot of other. That's the one thing I actually like. That looks more realistic. A lot of these other type of schemes. I say the word scheme. Scheme does not mean scam. Scheme is just a well thought out idea that's designed to make money. So this scheme seems to have more realistic numbers in ROIs because they're paying like 1 to 1.5% ROIs that they're promising daily on return of your investment. Okay, it starts out with 5 packages. The first one is called the beginner. You can invest at $10 to $299 and receive a 1% ROI every day. Then there's the intermediate one, and it's you can invest between $300 and $999, and you receive a 1.1 ROI percent, 1.1% ROI daily. Then there's the third level, advanced. You can invest between $1,000 to $4,499 and receive a 1.25% ROI daily. Then there's master. Master, you can invest $4,500 to $9,999 and receive a 1.4% daily ROI. Then there's a Master Plus, the final plan. Master Plus, you can invest $10,000 or more and receive 1.5% ROI daily. Okay, and you can also earn, as I said before, the second way to make money is on recruitment, sponsoring, and recruiting. A lot of people, I think, will just buy into the idea of investing and not wanting to sponsor and recruit. And the majority of people, I think, that will make money with this opportunity are the people who know how to sponsor and recruit and how to market themselves professionally. Anyways, more about the extra income on recruitment. It's based on a uniline compensation plan where everyone that you enroll under you will be placed directly under you, and the positions will be filled directly by yourself and indirectly with help from the company and upline sponsorship. Okay, hopefully that explains enough here for you guys to make a decision for yourself. Personally, what I liked was the lower percentages. Seems more kind of realistic. 1% to 1.5%, right? With the 5 packages. What I didn't like was the like Master Plus, $10,000 to invest. Not to $10,000 or more. It's not a problem if you can retrieve your money back and along with profit, but they're not giving you enough information, honestly. Is this a real company? Is this really a real Benjamin Reynolds? Is there a real person named Benjamin Reynolds running around here that's actually running this company? And even though the great majority of people who will join a system like this control finance currency trading system, right? Most of the people are going to come in because leaders are out there, leaders who bought into this idea, like this compensation plan and structuring company, and they're going to go out there and sponsor and recruit. Okay, but eventually, when their sponsorship and recruiting dies down, usually the company itself ends up shutting down because everything's based on sponsoring and recruiting. Now, those of you guys, before I get to the next point here. So should you join? Okay, just use your own common sense and gut. I personally wouldn't touch it. I've tried opportunities like this in the past, even though that they seem to have more of a realistic ROI, right? Some opportunities, some cryptocurrency trading deals are promising like 300% ROI. That's right through the roof. That doesn't make any sense. I mean, how can some companies pay out like 300% ROI on investment? And stay in business. Okay, that's like a crazy idea right there. This one's giving you back 1.1 to 1.5%, right, based on 5 different plans. So good things and bad things, but still comes down to a big question mark at the end. Is this a real company? Are they really trading cryptocurrencies, or is this just another well thought up scam? So I'll just leave that with you to decide which one did you come to a conclusion for yourself. Okay. Now, if you're still watching this video, I'm going to say that you're most likely a serious person who truly wants to make an income, a full-time income for yourself, or maybe even a part-time income for yourself. And it comes down to, I know I kept saying sponsoring and recruiting. That usually turns a lot of people off, because the great majority of people who come into any deal ever hear of the idea of sponsoring and recruiting. It sounds like a high-pressure MLM type of desperate deal. And I'm going to tell you that there's professional ways to sponsor and recruit where you don't have to talk to people. I never talk to anyone, especially up front. Maybe I'll talk to people on the back end, but I never go out there pitching any type of deal to anyone. But I have a way of positioning myself on the internet in front of my target market. Your target market are your customers, the people who would actually naturally buy your products. And most people who want to make money online have no clue who their real target market is, and they're hoping to join Ponzi schemes, investing, because they think sponsoring and recruiting. But like I said, sponsoring and recruiting, there's a professional way to sponsor and recruit, and you can position yourself on the internet. And a real opportunity is not just something with a getting started link or buy now button. A real opportunity is something that trains you and teaches you to always have a steady supply of business leads on demand, as well as traffic, and especially in front of your target market. That means they'll teach you how to actually sell your stuff to people who would actually be interested in buying. So, in conclusion to a conclusion on this control finance review, most people who will come into this deal might even share it with family and friends because they don't know how to find other people. They may be interested in on that Uniline extra income, right? Uniline compensation plan, and earn extra income. But the problem is most people will go to friends and family, and your friends and family, guys, are not your real target market. You might be a very serious entrepreneur today who really wants to make a life-changing, you want to have a life-changing event to take place in your life. But your friends and family may not be a serious entrepreneur like yourself, and they most likely aren't as motivated. Trying to get your friends and family into these type of deals not only burns bridges and hurts your credibility with friends and family. It's just not a good idea. It's like trying to beat a dead horse, okay? Trying to get people, even your loving friends and family, to go out there and make money for themselves. So there is a better way, and there is a system that can teach you how to do this, how to become a professional marketer. And if I use the word professional, hopefully that doesn't scare you. There's just a better way, there's an easier way to do this, to make money online for yourself. If you're still watching this video, just go lower below this video, because I can just babble on all day about the subject, but you'll learn a lot more if you take the first step. Lower below this video you'll find a link. Just click the link and you'll get access to a very powerful system there. Again, my name is Rory Singh. I hope I see some of you guys on the inside. Hopefully everyone that watched this video today got some value. You have yourself an awesome day now.